And welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subisani, and you are watching Dr. Subisani Dental Series and Medical Videos channel. Already there is one bumper video out on my channel that is regarding the importance of the open states in NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Already this video is out on my channel. If you haven't checked out this video, then please do check out this video. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. I have already told you that open seats in the open states, they plays a very important role. And now to understand this how, in that video I have told about the remaining vacant seats which are there in Rajasthan in last year of counseling, that is the NEET MDS 2022 counseling, right? Now today I'm gonna tell you the importance of the open state seats. Now what is the importance of that? Being a category person or a non-category person, let's say you are a general category person or a ST, SC or a OBC category person, no matter you have a rank of 15,000 or 10,000 or 9,000 or 8,000, you will easily get the clinical branch if you go through the open states for the open seats for the NEET MDS course. So yes, today with a few extremely good example of the clinical branches, that too at a very higher rank, let's say above 10,000 or something. So let's see what are the previous year open state West Bengal state result for the open state counseling of the NEET MDS 2022 counseling result. So as we can get an idea that if you are having your rank in the range from 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 or something, so and if you apply in the open state for the MDS course, so where you stand and where you can get the seats easily. So this video is very useful for you if you are really serious about the MDS course or the MDS seat this year especially, because this year the cutoff is high. We have already talked about it in many videos. So this is the main video. If you haven't checked out that video, then please do check out this video. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Let's see the last year mop-up round provisional seat allotment, that too in an open state, that is the West Bengal. Let's see the last rank where they got the clinical seats through the open state NEET MDS 2022 counseling. A very good example, being a category person, there is one example in which a person in the second round of open state counseling, in the second round, he is having the rank of nearly about 20,879 rank, and candidate filled the open category and he got MDS orthodontics, being a ST category person in West Bengal. He has this seat in the second round of counseling. So now you can see even the second round of counseling plays a very important role, right? You don't need to wait for the mop-up round. Even if you can go through the open state counseling while you are eligible to take part in the second round of counseling of NEET MDS 2023 counseling whenever it gets started, right? So this was the very good example. Followed by that, he got the MDS orthodontics, being a 20,000 rank person in the Guru Nanak Institute of Dental Science and Research. Followed by the another person having the rank of nearly about 19,886, again a open category counseling. He got the MDS in oral surgery, being a ST category person, right? And that is in the college Dr. R. Ahmed Dental College. So these are the example of a very good rankers who can easily get the seat, clinical seat, right? And that too in the second round of counseling. So even if no, you don't need to wait for mop-up round. Similarly, let's see the another case. Even there is one person who applied in the mop-up round with the rank of nearly about 7,883 with the open category, and she got MDS endodontics as a management quota seat, being a journal category person who did the fresh allotment in the mop-up round, and she got the Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research. So at the rank of 7,883, and that too in mop-up round, and that too being a journal category, she has to apply for the management quota seats. That means she got the MDS endodontics but at a very high fees because she opted for the management quota seats. There is one question in my comment section also, that someone is having the 9700 rank and he or she is talking about whether they got the endodontics or not. See, you have to go to the open state MDS counseling for sure. There is no other option if you are not a category person. And even if there is the another case of a person having the rank of nearly about 4,680, and she applied in the mop-up round and with the open category, and she got the another clinical branch as MDS endodontics, that too in the Halinda Institute of Dental Science and Research, being the SC category person and with the fresh allotment in the mop-up round. So even if you are not eligible in the second round, as you all know that the revised cutoff will release after the second round of counseling, and if you are eligible after that, right, so definitely you have to go to the management quota seats, and the mop-up round you are left with. So by hook or crook you have to use the money, you have to pay extra, your fees will be high, then only you are able to get the seat in the open state also. And if you are a journal category person, then definitely you have to go to the management quota seats, no other option is there. At least at a rank of nearly about 7,000, 8,000, as we see the scenario in West Bengal right now. So in the same way, two more examples of the journal category. They apply in the mop-up round. One is having the rank from, that is 853. She applied in open round and she got the MDS orthodontics as a clinical branch in the Guru Nanak Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, being the journal category, and she did the fresh allotment in the mop-up round. So being a journal category, you see where you stand and how you will get the seat. Last example, that is the person having the rank of nearly about 876. She again applied in the open round of counseling and she got the MDS pedodontics, being a journal category, and she also did the fresh allotment in the mop-up round, and she got the seat in the Halinda Institute of Dental Sciences and Research. So it's a totally, hit and trial thing, that you have to be very attentive while making the choice filling, and use your things like, if you are a category person, then if you are in the state domicile of that particular area, then if you have a very good rank, then so these are the plus points or the steps towards your clinical branches more, right? So that's why you need to see it accordingly. Otherwise, the last option is go to the management quota seats. No other option is there. These are those people also who just wait till the last round of the counseling, and when they didn't get it, being a journal category person, they opt for the remaining management quota seat so as they can get the clinical seat rather than wasting a one complete year. So I think this is another advantage regarding the open state counseling for the NEET MDS 2023. So I hope with all these examples, you can come across that what is the importance of the open state counseling, that too in the NEET MDS 2023. I hope this concept is clear to you. If you still have any query, I request you to please join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. For that, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or even if you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen as a sweet gesture. Registration is needed because without that I will not able to remember who you are. right? Because I don't know from where I connect with the people, so that's why registration is mandatory. These are very nominal one, they are not so heavy pay or something. So I think for a year process this is fine. Rest processes, everything is freely available. Even one-to-one guidance is there, even in your choice filling also. So I hope this year this new feature will help a lot of upcoming dental surgeons for the MDS course. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.